I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummies using gelatin. First, gather your essential ingredients: unflavored gelatin, a flavored drink mix, granulated sugar, and water. You will also need silicone molds, lightly sprayed with a non-stick spray, and basic kitchen tools like a saucepan, whisk, and measuring cups. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable gummy making experience from start to finish. Now let's mix our base. In a saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of cold water with 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes to allow the gelatin to bloom. Next, add 1/3 cup of granulated sugar and 1 packet of your chosen flavored drink mix. Gently heat this mixture over low heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar and gelatin are completely dissolved, creating a smooth liquid. With your gummy mixture ready, it's time to pour. Carefully transfer the warm liquid into your lightly sprayed silicone molds, filling each cavity evenly. Avoid overfilling to ensure well-formed gummies. Once all molds are filled, place them in the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for at least 30 minutes, or until the gummies are completely firm and solid. This crucial step ensures your gummies hold their shape perfectly. Finally, it's time to demold and enjoy your creations. Gently press the bottom of each silicone mold cavity to release your perfectly set gummies. If any are a bit stubborn, a slight twist of the mold usually helps. Once removed, store your delicious homemade gummies in an airtight container at room temperature. For the best flavor and texture, try to enjoy them within 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.